In this video, I will show you how to copy and paste YouTube Shorts and earn at least $255 per video with YouTube Shorts as a complete beginner. Now, because YouTube isn't the best way to monetize your YouTube Shorts, I'll show you another way to make money with YouTube Shorts later in the video. It doesn't matter how many subscribers you have on your channel right now. And you don't need to be famous to do this, and to prove this to you, I'm going to show you some channels that went from 0 to 1 million subscribers very rapidly by posting YouTube Shorts. And these channels went from making $0 a day to $500 every single day. Now, if you're interested in making money online, my channel is all about making money online. And I literally upload videos every day. So, if you don't want to miss such videos, subscribe to this channel right now. Now that you've subscribed, let's go right to the video. The YouTube channel I previously showed you is called Jack Neal, and it makes shorts in the mystery and fact niches, which are popular on YouTube. And the majority of their videos have received hundreds of thousands of views. They not only publish short videos, but also long videos to earn money through YouTube AdSense. This may seem to be a facecam channel, but it is not. If I open this 1.4 million view short, I can see that most of the time they simply showcase stock video with a voiceover in the background. And I'll teach you how to produce the same video in a matter of minutes. As you can see, this video has 207,000 views and 771 comments. So, the engagements are also very good in this niche. Let's see how much we may possibly make if our shorts receive 1.4 million views. If only 0.01% of viewers buy or sign up for our product, we get 140 sales. If the product costs $5, we may make $700 from a single short, which takes 30 minutes to create. You can check out this channel content for a better understanding after watching this video. Now, let's figure out how to produce the same short videos and start making money. The first step is to find a mystery and fact script to use in making videos. This website is named listverse.com. And it has a lot of mystery and fact-related information. Basically, they write blog posts about the top 10 mysteries and facts. You can also choose which types of content you want from this category. For example, from here, you will get books and facts-related content. For now, let's assume we want to make a fact-based short. From there, you may sort by whether you want the most recent blog posts or the most popular blog posts. This blog post is about 10 surprising things you never knew about garden grooms. Another one is the 10 worst mistakes you can make in survival situations, which were published on November 2nd, 2022. It appears to be interesting to me. Let's get started with this article. This is the title of our short video. Worst mistakes you can make in survival situations. From this one article, you can make 10 short videos. Simply copy and paste this into a Word or Google Docs document. For better understanding, increase the text size and make it bold. For now, let's say, the one we can pick is to avoid drinking unclean water. Again, copy and paste everything here, and this is our primary headline. This paragraph will now serve as our short script. However, if you simply copy and paste this, you may have copyright issues. So, what we do is copy this and rewrite the whole paragraph using the AI paraphraser tool. You can search for quillbot.com. Quillbot is a paraphrasing and summarizing tool used to rewrite sentences, paragraphs, or articles using AI. Set this as a standard here, and then drag the line to the end to alter more words. Then just paste the paragraph, and then click on Paraphrase, as seen above, and it will begin rewriting the paragraph. To prove the sentence above, water is a vital resource that supports life. However, this tool has altered the sentence that water is a necessary resource for maintaining life. The meaning of the sentence has not changed, but the words have. And all of the words highlighted in orange are modified words. So, we can easily copy this and make a short video based on this paragraph. In the same way, you can rewrite the whole paragraph. What you need to do now is voice over this article with a decent microphone. That's it. Now that you have your voiceover recorded, you can go on to the second step, which is to create short content using articles. You may create short content using either lumenfiv.com or invideo.com, which both provide highly excellent pre-made templates. However, both of these programs include copyright watermarks on their videos. However, because Lumen 5 places the watermark at the end of the video, there is no issue. That is why I suggest lumenfiv.com. And this is not a sponsored video. Sign up by providing your name, email address, and password. I am just logging in. You will see this type of interface after logging in. From there, click on the new video, which will lead you to this page. The next step is to select a template for your short video. They will offer you a few pre-made templates suitable for creating videos. If you like, you may get a preview of each template. Let's say I prefer this smart template. Simply click on the preview to start previewing the template. Then, because YouTube Shorts are portrait, choose the 9:16 portrait ratio. Then, if you like the template, you must click on Use this template, which will take some time to load. After loading the template, you will see this type of interface. You must paste the script here. Simply copy and paste the entire script here. Then click on Convert to Video, and it will start converting the text into videos using its AI technology. Okay, our video is ready. The preview is available here. Now, if the background video does not match the text, as it did in this case, you can easily change it from the Media tab. Go to the Media tab and search for water to discover a range of free stock footage on the topic. Simply drag and drop the one that fits perfectly for the text from this list onto the timeline, and the slide background will change immediately. Now, if you don't like any of the slide designs, like I don't like this one, I'm swapping the design from here. There are several slide designs to choose from. You may then select any one and click on it to see how the slide design changes. The slide's background video is also incorrect, therefore I am updating it from here. Basically, you may change all of the slides in this manner. There are numerous Loom 5 video editing tutorials available on YouTube. You can watch it if you want to learn more. Now, click on Music to add your voiceover. Then go to Upload and click on Upload Music. Then drag and drop your voiceover recording here. After completing all the changes, click on the preview to see what it looks like. Wow, this one looks professional. If the preview of all slides goes well, then you can publish the video. You can see here, it shows, upgrade to remove the Lumen 5 watermark, but you don't need this. Okay, our video is ready to download. Simply download the video. Our video is downloaded, and according to me, it looks professional although I create the video within 5 minutes. In the end, see, a watermark comes it. Simply trim or delete this portion using any free video editing software. You can use Movavi free video editing software, which is available for Windows and Mac operating systems. Now comes the final step, which is the way of monetizing our YouTube short. But before that, if you find this video valuable, make sure to subscribe and like this video right now. Okay, we can monetize this type of short video using an Audible affiliate program. Audible is an American online audiobook and podcast service that allows users to purchase and stream audiobooks and other forms of spoken word content. From here, you will join as an Audible affiliate. So how do Audible affiliate programs work? First, you need to advertise the Audible product. Then you need to drive traffic using Audible links. Here, our traffic source is YouTube Shorts, and then when your visitors buy Audible products and services, you make money. Now, if any of your visitors buy Gold Digital Membership, you will get a $10 commission. But even if they buy Audible Free Trial Digital Membership, you will get a $5 commission. And believe me, many people buy Audible membership as it owns Amazon. Just you need to click on Become an Affiliate, and then create your free Amazon affiliate account by filling in all the information and start making money right away. This is the best way of making money from these types of shorts. And you can also make money from the YouTube Partner Program if your channel has got 1,000 subscribers and 10 million YouTube Shorts views, which is much easier to gain. That's it for today. If you want to see more videos related to YouTube's short monetization, you can watch the videos shown on the screen. And if you want to get more videos related to make money online, subscribe to us and turn on the notifications so that you will get notified first. See you in the next video.